Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device with Ampere app. So first you should download the Ampere application from the Play Store and then just launch the application. And here you can see the health of our battery. In my case, that's good. And also here we got another information about the level of our battery, temperature, capacity, and more other information about the Android version of our device, model, and more other info. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.